Make a high-quality AI UGC ad video within a minute using this site. After visiting UGCVideo.ai, you can see the UGC character option. You can create your own character from there or use a community character and recreate it. Now, we'll make a UGC ad video. To create a UGC video, upload your product or reference image. Then, select an influencer. I'll choose one from the library. You can see different characters of different ages here. Select one that matches your product, or create your own influencer. Next, enter your prompt and select a voice. First, listen to the available voices, and if you like one, select it. You can also change the video ratio from here. I want to generate 2 clips, so I'll click X2. Generating 2 clips requires only 40 credits. After clicking Generate, wait a few minutes while the video is being prepared. Now, the 2 clips have been generated. Let's check the quality.
Bro, is your face feeling like an oil slick by midday? Yeah, been there. Not a good look. You gotta try the Dabo Black Force Foam Cleanser. It's a total game changer for men. It packs a rich foam that deeply removes dirt, excess oil, and all that grime. Plus, it has this black seed scrub that gently exfoliates. Say goodbye to rough patches. Your skin feels insane after. Fresh, smooth, and actually clean. Upgrade your daily routine. Grab yours now.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more amazing AI tutorials. See you in the next video.